We at DPL believe that life insurance should be included in individuals' financial plan because if you have a situation where a husband and wife are both working with young children, they have a mortgage, they're planning for retirement, they're planning for the kids' future, they're building college savings. With life insurance, if one of those breadwinners passes away prematurely, the surviving family won't have that impact of lost income as long as they have life insurance in place. Life insurance can continue to allow the surviving family to maintain the lifestyle that they have, to build for retirement, to help for the kids' college education. Life insurance can be so impactful that it just gives you warm fuzzies and makes you know that your family will be cared for in the event that you die prematurely. We at DPL recommend that you sit down with us when you have an opportunity to review your life insurance needs and make sure that your family and loved ones are protected.